Hi and welcome back at the museum. A few weeks ago we received the Panasonic RX-DD2. From day one it had problems with making rattling noises and intermittent dropouts, which we very well know from the AL1 mechanism that is also part in the Technics DC8 and the Victor ZDV919. In this video we're going to show you the restoration process. So let's listen to the problem first. Rattling noise on the right and correct smooth sound on the left for regular analog cassettes. The clicking and rattling sound is caused by the broken gear. Three seconds into the first track you will hear a dropout as well. We will begin dismantling with both doors on top first. Then we will remove 6 screws from the back. Next is the handle, that is held with 2 screws. An additional 2 screws for the back cover of the mechanism. The front cover can now be removed in one piece. We need to be extra careful with the cables going to the DCC mechanism. This is the single connector between the front and the unit itself. 4 more screws on each corner of the mechanism and it can finally be removed. We disconnect both cables from the mechanism. The close-up shows how some teeth are missing or damaged from the soft material used. This was fairly common to dampen the noise in the 90s. By replacing it with a metal gear, the winding will be slightly louder, but it will never fail again. With the mechanism out of the recorder, we will give you a quick overview of the restoration, as we have done a very detailed coverage of this in the video of the Technics RX-DC8. We will give you the overview of 3 things we need to do. The belt, replacing SMD capacitors and the new gear. Firstly, we remove the read-write board for the new SMD capacitors. Some connections were also damaged by the acid and we repaired those as well. Voila. And you have to I tightened the screw. Put some grease, different grease. Okay. The tape detection switches receive a good cleaning as well. There are 2 hooks, as you know,
to get these off.
Yes, I don't like this work. After we put everything back together, we can place the mechanism back in the Panasonic. Since we have the original pinch rollers in stock, we always change them with every restoration.
This woman needs some.
It plays and sounds great again.
Please never
So let's look at the RX-DD1 and RX-DD2 side by side. We do not have any technical specifications or manual of both players, but other than the difference in color, blue versus black, the only noticeable difference is the yellow LED light that is available on the RX-DD1 and not on the RX-DD2. At first we thought the LED light might need replacing, but the board of the RX-DD2 was not even equipped with the LED. We hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.